Hello, kids! How are you? I'm cooking today. Kids, I'm going to cook. Do you know what I'm going to cook today? ¿Saben qué voy a cocinar hoy? Tal vez a ustedes les guste. I'm going to prepare pancakes. Have you ever eaten pancakes? ¿Comieron alguna vez pancakes? Yes? Do you like them? ¿Les gustan? Bueno, hoy vamos a aprender y les voy a enseñar a hacerlos, ¿ok? Vamos a ir empezando, ¿ok? Look at this. I have a bowl, ¿ok? A bowl and a spoon, ¿ok? Look at this. We need, ¿ok? I have a cup of, what is a cup? Look at this. This is a cup, una taza. A cup of flour. Okay, what is flour? Harina, okay? A cup of flour, okay? We put a cup of flour in a bowl, okay? Perfect. Now, kids, look at this. What is this? Yes, it is an egg. So, let's put an egg, okay, in the bowl. Let's put an egg in the bowl. Oh, okay, perfect. Now, what else? Whoa, look at this. Another cup. A cup of milk. Yes, it is a cup of milk. So, put the cup of milk in the bowl. Okay? So, vamos a repasar. So, primer paso. Put a cup of flour in the bowl. Then put an egg, okay, in the bowl. Then put a cup of milk in the bowl. Ready? Perfect. What do we have to do now? ¿Qué tenemos que hacer ahora? What do you think? Son muy fáciles de hacer. We have to start mixing. Mix. What does it mean, mix? What is mix? Mezclar. Yes, we have to mix. Tenemos que mezclar los ingredientes, ¿ok? Let's see. Ok. Perfect. Mixed. Very good. Very good. Ok, now kids, ¿qué nos queda hacer? Ya está esto listo. We have to cook them. Tenemos que cocinarlos, ¿ok? So we need, ¿ok? You are going to need your parents' help, ¿ok? Van a estar ayuda de los papás, ¿ok? Porque tenemos que freírlos. So, we need a frying pan, ¿ok? Una sartén, ¿ok? And we need some butter. A spoon of butter, una cucharadita. A spoon of butter, una cucharadita de manteca. Vamos, ¿están listos? Vamos a cocinarlos. Okay, kids, here am I. I have a frying pan, okay? A frying pan. Ojo con el fuego. Be careful, okay? Perfect. Okay, what do we have to do? A spoon of butter. Look at this. A spoon of butter. Okay, vamos a poner, put a spoon of butter, okay, in the frying pan. Okay, en el sartén. Perfect. Now, kids, let's see. Put some mixture, okay, mixture. Ponemos un poco de la mezcla, the mixture, in the frying pan, okay? Bien. Look at this. Excellent. Pueden poner la cantidad que quieran. Si los quieren hacer chiquititos, los hacen chiquititos. Y si los quieren hacer más grandes, los hacen más grandes. ¿Ok? Bien. Ya lo desparramamos en el sartén. So now, kids, okay, we have to, okay, fry, okay, the pancake for 2 minutes. Okay, for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to show you, okay, if you want, you can turn them, okay? Can you throw the pancake? Can you throw the pancake? Then we are going to see. Okay, kids, are you ready? Look at this. I'm going to Do it. I don't know. I'm going to do it like this. Yes, it is a secret. Look. I have thrown the pancake. Okay, perfect. Now, let's see. Let's see. ¿Ya lo dieron vuelta? Perfect. Now, look at this, kids. The pancake is almost ready. Okay? Now, kids, what can we do? We can decorate it with chocolate. Okay? Put chocolate. Okay? Or you can put bananas. Okay? Slices of bananas. Okay? Or something you want, okay? Dulce de leche, okay? You can use dulce de leche, banana, strawberries, or chocolate, okay? To decorate your pancake, okay? I'm going to decorate mine. Just a minute. Okay, kids, my pancake is ready. Do you want to see it? ¿Quieren verlo? Look at this. Look at this, kids. This is my pancake, okay? I put dulce de leche and slices of bananas and chocolate. Yes, I think it is delicious. Oh, I'm going to eat it. Yummy, yummy. Are you going to prepare it? Yes, lo van a preparar? Perfect, fantastic. So, I'd like to see your pancakes, okay? I'd like to see your pancakes. Me gustaría verlos de ustedes, okay? Then, you send me your receipt, okay? And the picture of your pancakes, okay? Perfect, kids.